Frozen apples are wonderful. They make baking so easy. You can enjoy apple crisp any time of year. No peeling or chopping needed. Just open the bag and go. Frozen apples are already peeled and sliced. This saves you time. They are picked at peak freshness. This means great flavor. Frozen apples are perfect for a quick dessert. You will need a few simple ingredients. Start with a bag of frozen sliced apples. You'll need some flour, sugar and butter for the topping. A touch of cinnamon and nutmeg adds warmth. Don't forget a pinch of salt. Here are the amounts you will need. 6 cups frozen sliced apples, 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup packed brown sugar, 1/2 cup cold unsalted butter, cut into small pieces, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-inch square baking dish. No need to thaw the apples. Pour the frozen apple slices into the prepared dish. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, sugars, cinnamon, nutmeg and salt. Cut in the cold butter using a pastry blender or 2 forks. You want the mixture to resemble coarse crumbs. Sprinkle this crumb topping evenly over the apples. Bake for 45 to 55 minutes. The topping should be golden brown and the apples bubbly. Let the crisp cool slightly before serving. This will allow the juices to thicken. Section 4. Tips for crisp perfection. For a crispier topping, use old-fashioned rolled oats. Add 1/2 cup to the topping mixture. You can use different types of apples. Try a mix of Granny Smith and Honeycrisp for a sweet and tart flavor. If your apples are very juicy, toss them with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch before adding the topping. Don't overbake the crisp. The apples should be tender but not mushy. Allow the crisp to cool for at least 15 minutes before serving. This allows the juices to thicken and the flavors to meld. Section 5. Serving up your delicious creation. Apple crisp is delicious on its own, but a scoop of vanilla ice cream makes it extra special. You can also serve it with a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your warm and comforting apple crisp. Apple crisp is a classic dessert. It's easy to make with frozen apples. This recipe is perfect for beginner bakers. Enjoy the sweet and comforting flavors of apple crisp any time of year.